I have 4:1 multiplexer with me in my lab, and I want to implement all the things with this whole 4:1 multiplexer. So my first case is I'm considering NOT gate again. Okay, so 4:1 multiplexer means this is my 4:1 multiplexer having four input and two select line and one output. Two select line is S1 and S0, and I0, I1, I2, and I3 are my four input, and Y is my output. Okay, so if I write my conventional expression for this Y, okay, this is nothing but S1 S0 bar bar into I0 plus S1 S0 S1 bar into S0 into I1 plus S1 into S0 bar into I2 plus S1 S0, and this is I3. So this is my conventional expression. So now you need to like think something so that you will get y equal to a bar, and somewhere you need to give a. Okay, so it's like it's very simple if you are considering 4:1 multiplexer, and there are various ways. Okay, so one way is like I can take this s1 as a. Okay, so I will get a bar here. Okay, now I need to make this s0 bar um, as a 1. Okay, so I will take s0 s0 s0, so this will be dot 1. Okay, this I am taking as a, if I do in this way. Okay, I0 again I need to consider 1, so this one is I am considering 1. Okay, the second one will be a bar. Okay, s0 will is 0, so this is dot 0 dot something. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, because this is dot 0, so by default this whole thing will be 0. Right? And this thing is a dot 1 dot I2, so I need to give 0. Okay, so that this whole thing will become 0. Now the next is a dot 0 dot I3. Okay, so no need to worry about I3, this automatically this whole thing is 0. Okay, so if I do in this way, okay, like this I0 and I3, it's your choice, you will give 1 or 0, it's okay. Okay, so if you take all the things in this way, give a at s1, s0 give 0, I0 give 1, and all I1, I2, I3 as 0 0 0, you will get y equal to a bar. Okay, means you are getting a NOT gate realization using 4:1 multiplexer. Okay, so this is very easy, and there are much like more cases also. You can take s0 also a, and having the realization also. You can take I0 also a, okay, or a bar and having the realization. So you can do. I prefer you do either you take s1 as a or s0 as a. Okay, so that you need not to use some other circuit. Okay, so this is one thing, implementation of NOT gate. Now, next thing we will do is the implementation of AND gate. Okay, so for implementation of AND gate using this 4:1 multiplexer. Okay, so AND gate is nothing but basically it's uh, A dot B. So I want to implement. Uh, I want to have I0, I1, I2, I3 in such a way, or S1 and S0 in such a way, so that at my output side I will get A dot B. Okay, then only I can realize that the whole circuit will behaving like AND gate operation. Okay, so again I will go to my conventional expression, and now like I want A dot B. So suppose I am taking S0 as A and S1 as B. Okay, suppose I am taking this one. So the thing is I need to place this I3 as 1. Okay, so if I'm doing in this way, I will get AB. Okay, and if I want to eliminate all those things, it's very simple. If I take all those things at 0. Okay, no need to like give extra effort. Put I0, I1, I2 as 0 and I1 as 1. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, if this will be A, this will be B, and this 0, this 0, this 0, and this will be 1. So you directly get A dot B. Okay, so with this example, you have seen that you can implement AND gate also with 4:1 multiplexer, and number of 4:1 multiplexer required for implementation of this two input AND gate is only one. Okay, you need not to use any other circuit or any other multiplexer or logic gate for implementation of this AND gate. So okay, you can have this AND gate of two input if you have only 1:1 multiplexer. Okay, so the same analysis we will do for OR gate also. So if I want to design OR gate means I need to have A plus B at my output side. Okay, so if I want A plus B, okay, then again I can have this realization from this conventional expression. Okay, so suppose I am taking S0 and S1 both as AB. Okay, so this is A, this is B. Okay, and if I'm doing this in this way, so basically AB, if I am taking this AB, so I can do this. This one will be A, this one will be B bar, this one will be A bar, this one will be B. Okay, and if like if I have AB plus A bar B plus AB bar. Okay, because I'm doing this thing because if you check for OR gate table, okay, this is my OR gate truth table. So when this is 0 0, you will get 0. Either it is 0 1, you will get 1. Either it is 1 0, you will get 1. Either it is 1 1, you will get 1. Okay, so this 1 0 or 0 1 is written, can be written in this way. Okay, this 1 1 can be written in this way. Okay, that's why I'm choosing this one as AB. Automatically this will become AB bar, this will become A bar B, and this will become A bar B bar. But I don't want this A bar B bar because this is 0 here. So what I will do, I will simply give this I0 as 0 and these all other as 1. Okay, so means here I will give 1 1 1, here I will give 0, here I will give A, and here I will give B. Then I will get this A plus B directly. Okay, so in this way, like we can have a realization of OR gate. So now next thing is XOR gate implementation. So XOR gate is nothing but A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, so this is your XOR gate. So basically from this thing you need to have like conclude like how you will get A bar B plus AB bar. So see, this thing is something matching with this one, this thing is something matching with this one. Okay, so if you take S1 as A, S0 as B, and here also you will do in the same way, so you will get A bar B, and here you will get A B bar. The thing is I1 need to be 1 and I2 need to be 1, so you will get this two things. Okay, for removal of these two things, you can take this I3 as 0 and I1 as 0. So this one will become 0 0 and 1 1. This is A, this is B. Okay, so simply you will get XOR gate. Okay, so after this, like we will do other things also, like we will implement XNOR gate. Okay, so if you want to implement XNOR, okay, so your expression will become like AB plus A bar B bar. The same way, AB you can realize from here, A bar B bar you can realize from here. Okay, so for realization of that one, S1 and S0 you need to give AB, and this I0 is 1 and I3 is 1. So this one is 1 1. Okay, and the other things like you need to eliminate this one and this one, so simply give I1 and I0 as 0 0. Okay, so I'm giving 0 0 here, and at the end I will get AB plus A bar B bar. These types of realization, like you can interpret in one thing, that if you are having two variable, you can design that circuit, that or that expression using only 1 4:1 multiplexer.